tinatamad na akong maglakad. You know, there's really where I walk. How do I? It's sad for me. Where, habang pauwi ako, nag-gisbis na meron ako. So, anong ginawa? My God. So, oh my God. Oh my God. So, yeah. I feel sad. I mean, appreciating giving the effort for how do I, yeah, share ko so nga pala, share ko pala guys na yung dalawang buwa, satisfy ako doon. At yeah, natry ko pakita habang sasalita ako. Yeah, satisfy ako sa dalawang buwan na yun. Masarap. And actually when I see it, I think in my head I judge it because the expectation really out of it, just I take it, you know, and yeah, satisfy ako sa dalawang buwa, oh my God. So yeah, yeah, what you see is what you get. What's in your head, please, okay? Yeah, oh my God, it just like yeah, so yeah. How do I speak? Dapat ganito, dapat yun eh. Sana ako magtatambay. Yeah. I wish I could play it as I decide. You know what I mean? Not because there's, yeah. Satisfy ako sa dalawang buwa na yun. Sarap.